If you want to unlink Google from Mailchimp, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can disconnect your account safely and confidently. Whether you connected Google for analytics, login access, or another integration, removing it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, you need to get to the integrations area where connected services are managed. Look for the integrations option and click it. This section is where Mailchimp keeps track of the external apps and services linked to your account. Next, click on Manage. This will take you to the area where you can view and control your current connections. Once the page loads, look for Google Analytics or the Google connection you want to remove. If you have multiple connections listed, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one before disconnecting anything. Now click the drop-down next to the Google connection or the dashboard view option beside it. This usually opens a small menu with connection controls. From that menu, choose Disconnect. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm this action, so if a confirmation window appears, go ahead and click Disconnect again to finalize it. After that, Google will be unlinked from Mailchimp, and the connection will no longer be active. If you were using Google for reporting or tracking, just remember that those features may stop updating once the integration is removed. So before disconnecting, it's always a good idea to double check that you no longer need the connection. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked Google from Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides, tech tips, and quick software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.